Chapter 6, Create Habits That Rewrite Your Identity. Your habits are not small routines. Your habits are the architecture of your identity. Every action you repeat is shaping the person you are becoming. Every choice you make is casting a vote for your future self. People ask, how do I change my life? The real answer is simple. Change your habits, because your habits create your identity, and your identity creates your life. Most people try to change through motivation, but motivation is unstable. Some days you have it, some days you don't. If your identity depends on motivation, your progress will always collapse. Habits bypass emotion. Habits bypass excuses. Habits bypass hesitation. When you build strong habits, you build a strong identity, one that does not negotiate with laziness, fear, or distraction. Point 1. Small habits create massive identity shifts. People think transformation requires giant action. It doesn't. Transformation requires consistency. It requires repetition. It requires daily proof, even in tiny doses. One push-up is not life-changing, but a mindset that says, I don't skip, is. 1 minute of reading is not powerful, but becoming the person who reads every day is. One small act done consistently rewires your identity faster than big acts done occasionally. Every small action is a vote. Every vote strengthens or weakens your identity. You become what you repeatedly do, not what you intend, not what you talk about, not what you dream of, what you do. This is the power of small habits. They rewrite who you are at the deepest level. You want a stronger identity? Then start building small, consistent habits. Your identity will follow. Point 2. Habits must be easier to start than to avoid. People fail because they design habits that require high energy, high motivation, or high willpower. But strong habits are born from simplicity, not difficulty. If a habit is too hard, your brain will avoid it. If a habit is simple, your brain will repeat it. And repetition is what builds identity. Make the habit easy to start. Make it impossible to avoid. Want to read daily? Put the book on your pillow. Want to work out? Lay your clothes out the night before. Want to create content? Set up your recording space so it is always ready. Your environment must remove friction, not add it. A good environment makes the right habits easy and the wrong habits difficult. Most people say, I lack discipline. No, they lack structure. They lack systems. They lack an environment that supports the version of themselves they want to become. You will always fall to the level of your systems. If you want consistency, build systems that make consistency automatic. Small habits, low friction, high repetition. That's how identity is built. Point 3. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You rise to the level of your habits. Goals give you direction. Habits give you transformation. Without habits, goals are fantasies. With habits, goals become inevitable. This is why identity-based habits are powerful. When your habits align with your ideal identity, your life upgrades automatically. You stop forcing change. You start becoming change. Want to be a writer? Write every day, even one paragraph. Want to be healthy? Move your body daily, even 10 minutes. Want to be confident? Keep small promises every single day. Identity grows from repetition. Confidence grows from repetition. Discipline grows from repetition. You want a new life? Then build new habits, because habits are the foundation of every powerful transformation. They create discipline, they create confidence, they create clarity, they create momentum, and momentum builds a new identity. Your life will always reflect your habits. Always. You aligned your identity. Now it's time to align your environment even deeper. Next chapter, the environment that builds or breaks you.